Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Traverse Premier. This is the all-wheel drive model, of course, with the 9-speed automatic, and a total price of $50,995, with the only option being the dual skyscape sunroof. Whew, that's a mouthful and a half. Oh wait, yeah. When it's in transport mode, that's shut off. This right here is to wash your rear camera. So when you turn on the rear window washer, that sprays across the camera to clean it. Dual exhaust, of course. There's your skyscape sunroof. Every Traverse that I've ever driven, and I think all of them, are powered by the 3.6 V6. Yeah, I know the hood's open, I just opened it. Not bad at all. Now let's go for a drive. I do love this white color. What is it? Summit White. Beautiful color. There's your virtual rearview mirror. Let's see if I can go ahead and demonstrate. There you go. It's pretty funny, you can see it spray out the side. All really nice materials. This is harder plastic, but all right here, I'm not going to make the same mistake as the last video where I pushed the start-stop button. All right here is all nice leather. All the materials are definitely very nice. All your different cameras. But let's go for a drive. The Traverse is Chevy's mid-size SUV, slightly bigger than the Blazer, obviously bigger than the Equinox. It's their smallest 3-row SUV, with of course the Tahoe and the Suburban being way larger than it. .6 is the same V6 that's found in your V6 Camaro, which leads to not only an amazing soundtrack, but a lot of power. We'll go ahead and try that out here. I don't know what they're doing there, but Powertrain makes this thing really fun to drive, and also super luxurious. There's no turbocharged 4-cylinder sound in here. You know, it's not raspy or anything like that. It fits the price point. You know, it's not like I'm saying, yeah, I'd rather have a blah 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 engine. No, it fits the vehicle very well. And then when you just cruise around, 9-speed, super complacent, it will just sit there and shifts like butter. It's awesome. Honestly, this thing is just exactly what a family would need. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.